You might have heard them buzz or seen them overhead. But imagine these robots on a special medical mission.
We are building telehealth drone that will have the ability to go inside people's homes.
You heard right. Inside the home, something that no one has been able to accomplish before.
That's very, very challenging from technology point of view, because once you go inside people's homes, you lose connection with the GPS.
University of Cincinnati engineers are designing and testing special sensors that would allow the drones to maneuver through a front door into a patient's living room carrying a tablet or smartphone and access a special medical kit attached to the drone so they could measure and transmit health information.
We'll be able to get a read on their heart rate. We'll be able to know what is their oxygen levels in their body.
It's going to let older people stay at home for longer time, more independently.
Landing a drone safely in your living room. These researchers hope it will be all science and not fiction. I'm Marty Salt reporting.